Hello guys, my name is Shubham. So I have decided to start a new video series of Java which will help you to learn Java from starting to end. तो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि हम लोग तेरी वीडियोस को क्यों फॉलो करें, क्योंकि यूट्यूब पे तो पहले से ही बहुत सारे वीडियोस है। तो ऐसा तेरे वीडियोस में क्या है कि हम लोग तेरी वीडियोस को देखें। तो मैं आपको पहले से ही क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ कि देर आर सम की पॉइंट्स विच विल मेक माई वीडियोज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स। सो कौन से वो की पॉइंट्स, लेट्स डिस्कस दैट। सो फर्स्ट की पॉइंट इज आई विल टीच यू इंटरव्यू ओरिएंटेड जावा प्रोग्रामिंग। मतलब मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ, इफ यू फॉलो माई वीडियोज आप जावा का कौन सा भी इंटरव्यू मतलब इजीली क्रैक कर लोगे। सेकेंड वन, आई विल हेल्प यू इन लॉजिक बिल्डिंग। मतलब देर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गुड इन थेरोटिकल बट नॉट इन लॉजिकल। सो ऐसे लोगों के लिए मैं कुछ ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करूंगा जहाँ पे मैं हेल्प करूंगा इन लॉजिक बिल्डिंग। तीसरा, आई विल सॉल्व योर डाउट्स। सो इफ यू हैव डाउट यू कैन put it in comment box. I will try to solve each and every doubt. And last one, which is very important, that I will provide my self handwritten notes. So these are some key points which will make my video different from other. So what is Java? Very first question. Java है क्या? So Java is a high level object oriented programming language which is widely used for coding and web application. So I will clear you. It is not only used for coding and web application. It is also used for coding and Android based application, desktop application, console based application, gaming application, and many more. Because it is one of the multi-purpose programming language. It runs on billions of devices including notebook, computer, gaming console, mobile devices, etc. without any modification. Why? Because it is very much popularly known as write once, run anywhere. It follows these codes. Aura, write once, run anywhere because of its platform independent feature. So what is platform independent? I will clear you this in upcoming sessions. First, I will tell you some other important point about Java. So, rules and syntax of Java is based on C and C++ language. It developed by James Gosling and his green team. तो कौन थे ये जेम्स गॉसलिंग एंड हिज ग्रीन टीम? तो बेसिकली दे वर अ डेवलपर इन Sun Microsystems company in 90s. So they developed this Java language and gave name as Green Talk. Initially it was named as Green Talk, later it changed to Oak, and finally it changed to Java in 1995. So guys, in next video we will cover what are the features of Java. So that's all for today guys. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press and bell icon. Never miss an update. Bye bye.